When did you earn your first money from YouTube?
I earned my first money from YouTube after 6 months of consistent uploads.
How much money did you make from your first YouTube payment?
I made my first payment of $100 from YouTube.
What was your reaction when you received your first YouTube payment?
I felt extremely happy and proud of my hard work.
How did you celebrate your first YouTube income?
I treated myself to a nice dinner to celebrate my success.
What kind of videos helped you earn your first income?
Educational and English learning videos helped me earn my first income.
Which video performed best when you earned your first money?
My video about English speaking tips performed the best.
How long did it take you to reach monetization?
It took me around 8 months to reach monetization.
What motivated you to start your YouTube channel?
I wanted to share my knowledge and help others learn English.
How did your family react to your first YouTube income?
My family was proud and surprised that YouTube could pay real money.
What did you buy with your first YouTube payment?
I bought a new microphone for better video quality.
How many subscribers did you have when you earned your first money?
I had around 5,000 subscribers when I earned my first income.
Did your first YouTube payment motivate you to work harder?
Yes, it motivated me to upload more quality content regularly.
What lessons did you learn after earning your first money?
I learned that patience and consistency bring real results.
How did you manage your YouTube income at the beginning?
I invested it back into improving my channel equipment.
What changes did you make after earning your first payment?
I improved my thumbnails and focused on video quality.
How did your audience help you earn your first money?
Their support and regular views helped me reach monetization goals.
Which country did most of your first YouTube income come from?
Most of my income came from viewers in the United States.
How did you feel when you saw your first AdSense balance grow?
I felt excited and hopeful about my YouTube future.
What did you learn about YouTube ads after your first payment?
I learned that ad placement and audience location matter a lot.
What kind of content gave you the most views early on?
Short English lessons gave me the most views in the beginning.
How did your first YouTube income change your mindset?
It made me believe that YouTube can be a real career.
What was the hardest part before earning your first money?
The hardest part was staying consistent without seeing results.
How many views did you need for your first income?
I needed around 40,000 views to make my first $100.
What helped your channel grow faster before monetization?
Regular posting and replying to comments helped my channel grow.
How did you feel when YouTube approved your monetization?
I felt like my dream of earning online had finally come true.
What inspired you to keep going before earning?
The positive comments from viewers kept me going.
What equipment did you use before your first income?
I used only my smartphone and natural light for videos.
How did your first income influence your future goals?
It encouraged me to plan for a bigger English learning platform.
How did you learn about YouTube monetization rules?
I watched tutorials and read YouTube's official guidelines.
What mistakes did you make before earning your first payment?
I didn't focus much on thumbnails and video titles.
What did you feel when your first video went viral?
I was amazed to see so many people watching my content.
How did you handle criticism before your first income?
I took it positively and used it to improve my content.
Who supported you most when you started your channel?
My close friends supported and shared my videos regularly.
What did your friends say when you earned your first money?
They congratulated me and said I truly deserved it.
How did you withdraw your first YouTube payment?
I received it through my AdSense account directly to my bank.
What emotions did you experience during your first payment process?
I felt nervous but very excited to see the transaction complete.
How did you improve your videos after getting paid?
I invested in a better camera and improved my editing.
What did you realize about YouTube's success after earning?
I realized that passion and patience are more powerful than luck.
What was the first comment that made you feel proud?
A viewer said my videos changed their way of learning English.
How did you stay consistent before earning money?
I followed a weekly upload schedule without skipping days.
How did you handle slow growth before your first payment?
I kept experimenting with new ideas and learning from analytics.
What niche did you choose for your channel?
I chose the English learning niche because it matches my passion.
How did your first income affect your confidence?
It boosted my confidence and made me take YouTube more seriously.
What was your biggest struggle as a beginner?
My biggest struggle was editing and maintaining sound quality.
How did you build trust with your viewers?
I provided honest, helpful, and consistent content.
How did you promote your channel before earning?
I shared my videos on Facebook groups and English pages.
How many videos did you upload before earning your first payment?
I uploaded around 50 videos before earning my first money.
What was your upload schedule before earning?
I uploaded 2 to 3 videos every week.
How did you feel about your journey before monetization?
It was full of challenges, but also full of learning.
How did your channel performance change after earning?
My videos started getting more views and engagement.
How did you thank your audience for supporting you?
I made a special video to thank all my subscribers.
What kept you motivated to continue making videos?
My dream of teaching English globally kept me motivated.
How did you improve your content quality after the first income?
I started using a tripod, lights, and better editing tools.
What advice would you give to new YouTubers?
Stay patient and focus on creating valuable content.
How did your audience help your growth?
Their likes, comments, and shares increase my video reach.
What was the turning point before earning your first money?
A viral video about English phrases brought me thousands of views.
How did you handle negative comments?
I ignored hate and focused on constructive feedback.
How did your first income affect your daily routine?
It made me more disciplined and focused on content creation.
What skills did you develop during your early YouTube days?
I learned video editing, thumbnail design, and script writing.
How did you balance your work and YouTube?
I created a time schedule to manage both effectively.
How did your YouTube journey begin?
It began with a simple idea to teach English for free.
What was your biggest mistake before earning?
I didn't use attractive titles for my videos.
How did you feel when you crossed your first 1,000 subscribers?
It felt like a big milestone and gave me real motivation.